Hello everyone, so in this video, let us talk about a medium level problem from Leetcode. The problem name is most popular video creator. So the problem statement goes like this, that you're given two string arrays, creator and IDs, and an integer array views of all of length n. Now the ith video on the platform was created by creator I and has an ID of I and has views of I. So you are given, let's say, three arrays that if I just interpret to you. So let's say Alice create a video which has an ID of 1 and has, let's say, 5 views. Now Bob created a video with ID 2 and has 10 views, and so on. Let's move forward. Now find out, now the popularity of a creator is the sum of the number of all the views on all the creators particular video. Okay, so if a creator, let's say, have posted any number of videos, then the sum of all the views posted, like on the number of views on the videos posted by the particular creator, is the popularity of that particular creator. Find out the creator with the highest popularity and the ID of their most viewed video. Okay, you have to find out the most popular creator and the ID of the particular most viewed video for that particular creator. Now if there are multiple creators with the most popularity, you have to find all of them. And if there are multiple videos with the highest view count of the creator, find out the lexicographically smallest ID. Okay, that's the whole problem statement. Now it's pretty much simple. You have to somehow store these values out. You have to find out the sum of their views for every particular video for posted by a particular creator. So you have to make a map for a creator to the sum of their, like you can say, views on their videos. So you have to make different maps out of it. Map data structure. So one map you have to make, let's say, creator map to its views. Okay. Now you could have like created everything in one map as well. It's just your convenience. But I generally prefer to make different maps for different use cases. It's preferably I prefer on you as well, like how you want to structure your whole code out. Okay. Now when you have the views, you can directly just get which creator is the most popular, because you have the creator and the views. In the end, when you have created this whole map, that this creator has this much views, this creator has this much views, you have the total number of views for every creator. You can just find out the maximum of the views among all of them and find out which creator has the maximum of them. And if there are multiple ones, you have all the creator names that have the maximum possible popular. Now, for that particular creator, you have to also store which of their video with the IDs are the maximum of them. So for that, you can create one more map, that a creator map to video ID and their views. This actually stores that for a particular creator, which of their video is the most viewed. Okay, so what you can directly do is again iterate over the whole, you can say these array once again, or you can have done in this one for loop only, that for a particular creator, what is their maximum viewed video, what is the idea of that. So in the end, you have the creators, what all creators are the most popular. You will find out their most popular video in this map, again the second map, and you can directly just get out which creator is the most popular and the ID of video that is the most popular for them. That's it. So it's pretty much simple. Let's move on to the code part. So that's the overall thing, that you have to just create two maps out of it. You could have merged these two maps into one map and could have done everything in one map as well. It's just your choice. But in the end, you have to iterate over this whole map. So it's just better to just segregate the data so that it's very easy to understand. Let's move on to the code part so that will become more clear to you. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Okay. So the code starts from here, that you have to make two maps. Now you could have make like normal maps or unknown maps. It doesn't matter too much. It just increases time complexity a little bit, but it's just totally upon you. So I made two unordered maps. The first one is storing out a string to a long, that is the number of views. So this is storing out the popularity, that is particular creator, how many views that particular creator has got, that is the popularity map. And a string map to its ID. that what is the maximum you can say viewed video and the views on it. So this is the maximum viewed video ID and the views on it, and this is the creator which has like which creator has the which maximum viewed video that is stored here. Okay, now let's what we'll do here is that we'll just do a for loop over this array one by one. Now we have to find out the total, you can say, views for a particular creator. So whatever video I have, okay, if that particular video is mapped to this creator of I, so I will add this creator of I in popularity. So popularity will store all the, you can say, views. So in popularity map, take whatever views it has for this particular creator and keep on adding it in the map. Okay, so we have this popularity in hand in the end. Now what we'll do again is that I have to make this value as well, that what is the maximum video viewed for a particular creator. So if I have seen that they, like, let's say I find out one video, let's say video one is of Alice. Now, if it is the first video, I cannot compare it with any other videos because the first video. So if the video is already like the first video, if this count, this particular creator count, this creator is the first creator inside the video, you can say map. If the count is 0, which means that it is the first creator, I will directly just insert this particular creator with this particular views and this particular video ID. That this is the maximum viewed video with the ID this, and this is the views of this particular video which I have seen for the first time. So that's, for me, that's the very maximum. If I have seen for the next time, what I'll do is that I will find out that this is the maximum viewed video and this is the maximum played video ID. You can directly just get it from here. That is because it's a pair. So first or second. Now I just have to find out that if the, let's say I found out a second video. If the second video has more views, because if it is more views, the views in the second video is more, then I will update that this is the much more viewed video for that particular creator than the previous one. So I will update it here. And if the views are same for two videos, I will find out which one of them is the lexicographically smallest. So I will find out the minimum of both of these videos name. So both of these videos have some name, that some ID. So I will find out the minimum of both of them, which will eventually just return the lexicographically smallest one. Okay, and the views remain same. Okay, this will only happen if the views are same of two videos. I have to find out the one which has lexicographically smallest ID. Now in the end, I have stored using one for loop only the popularity of every particular creator and the maximum video for every particular creator. Now what we'll do next is I have to first now find out which of the creators is the maximum popularity one. So I have to read over every particular creator one by one inside this map, popularity map, and find out which one of the creator is the max possible popular. So I'll initialize my max popular value with -1 and keep on like incrementing the value depending upon the popularity and find out like what is the maximum popularity. And then among all those creators, find out the one which are the max popular, which has the maximum popularity. If they are equal to the maximum popularity, which means that that creator is maximum popular, I will have to push that particular creator name, that is this particular creator name, and the video, that's the maximum that is the maximum viewed video. So the video you can directly get from the second map, that is video. You will take the creator name and the second value is the video. You will make a pair out of it and insert it inside this answer vector that will store all the pairs of all the creators that are most popular and the most popular viewed video for that particular creator. And store that in that particular vector, and the end return the answer. That's it. That's the logic and the code part for this particular problem as well. You can pause this video and try to see the code once again. If you have any doubts, you can mention in the comment box of this particular video as well. I will see you in the next Coding, and bye.